Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. You know, a lot of people in the community have their own ways of giving and their own ways of being generous, whether it be with their time or resources or just gift giving. And gift giving is one way that Laura Blade, who recently has joined us, is really shines. And it's just such a touching, thoughtful way that she interacts with the community. And I am forever humbled and was very shocked and surprised to see this package arrive. Just stunning here on this Christmas season. And Laura Blade, she truly enjoys giving for the purest of reasons. And she has rejoined her community. You've heard me talk about her in the live streams recently. And I'm going to post a link to her channel again. She's posted a new video and is back with us. And so it's very grateful that to have her here, just because she's an awesome person. But this certainly is something that it's tough many times to receive gifts because many of us don't feel worthy. I know I don't feel worthy of the ones that many of you in the community have sent. And but nonetheless, Laura Blade has sent this along. And I'm going to use a knife that she gave to me in a prior exchange there. Very nice indeed. So let's take a look here. We're going to unbox this package and see what is inside. Yes, indeed. Okay. Pull out the contents therein. Let's see what we've got here. Wow, a plethora of things in there. Look at this, amazing. Salivate Metal, it says here. Wow, look at that. There's a card in a cellophane wrap here. Let's see what the card says. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Sal, your friend Laura Blade. Look at that, cute bunny there. A little snow man bunny, snow bunny, very kind, very cool. Wow, that is awesome. Oh, it looks like it pops out there. Look at that. It's a pop-out bunny. Very cool. That's cute. Very nice, Laura. Thank you very much for that. The lovely Laura Blade sent that nice little card along, so we'll put that back here. And let's take a look here. Oh, we have a Laura Blade sticker. Now, you may remember this design is on her MK bars piece there. Very cool sticker. Definitely would treasure that. And look here, we got the Laura Blade card. Well, nice, glossy. Got her logo and her dragon sword there. Very cool. Very awesome. Laura Blade, I love the branding of that. So awesome. Ooh, look at here. You know, just when you think, you know, we used this knife, which was a gift 1 year, and look at this. We got something else. It looks like another knife in a cool case here. Let's take this out and see what this is. Wow. This is cool. Now, it's leather. You know what that means. If it's leather, you got to smell it. Look at that. Look at this knife. Wow. And she is Laura Blade, so it makes sense that knives would be a part of her channel. She does like her knives. This thing is in there really good. Let's see here. I'm going to smell it. So I got to smell that leather. Oh, the smell of leather. It's coming out here. There it is. Wow, that is a cool looking knife here. Brand new, and this, oh wow, it's kind of wrapped up in, it's interesting. There's oil or something on it. And I don't want to get my hands too, that's interesting. I'm not sure why there's oil on that, but that's cool. I'll look at that later. Very interesting. I hope I didn't break something or pop something out there, but interesting. I love that case. I'll investigate that off camera. Very cool. Let's get the plastic out of the way here. And we have merchandise enclosed here. Very cool. Wow, look at that pull apart. And there's 3 pouches in here. Look at this. Amazing. What a Christmas I wonder if I should have waited to open this till Christmas. Oh my goodness. All right, first thing we have in here is in this little bag here. It looks like, ooh, look at that. Wow. This might be another, let's see, 0.5 gram of gold. Yes, indeed. Year of the Pig. Look at that. That is spectacular. Wow. Looks like a little 0.5 gram of gold there. No, it's 1 gram of gold. Wow, that is really cool. Thank you, Laura. Man, it's amazing the detail they can get on these little pieces here. This Pamp Suisse. 1 gram of AU 9999. 4 nines fine gold. Wow, thank you so much. The Year of the Pig. That's 2019. The last year for Series 2. Wow, of the lunar program. Very kind of you. Wow, that is awesome. 1 full gram of gold. Thank you so much, Laura. Next we have in here. Ooh, wow, look at that. It is the Korean Tiger round. Very cool. And I don't have one of these in my collection yet. That is very, let's look at the detail of that tiger. Look at those teeth right there. Super shiny. Very, very nice indeed. Republic of Korea here. And you will notice on this thing that it shows a unified Korea there. Very nice. And you can see the security feature here. The lenticular action of the 999. When you turn it, you see how it changes. You see the 999 there. And over here you see AG. Very, very cool. Very nice. Thank you so much. This is just, man, jaw-dropping, nice gifts here. Very kind of Laura Blade indeed to send these. Certainly am not worthy of any of this, for sure, by any stretch of any imagination. And wow, look at there. Whoa. It is a Germania. Very cool. Wow, look at that. Very cool. Nice. The Germania. I love these rounds. Anyway, that's so cool. Thank you so much. And in a capsule, too. Very kind of Laura Blade, for sure. Wow. And lastly, we have a tin here. It says Merry Christmas. And it's sealed up here. So we're going to pull this seal out and take a look at what's inside here. Look at this stunner. Absolutely amazing proof, Libertad. From the year 2018. Look at that. Absolutely amazing from Laura Blade. That just popped right out. The design of that is just spectacular. Look at that. Beautiful. A Libertad, a proof Libertad. And you'll notice that it is coin turn, not metal turn. But extremely, very, very well done. Well struck piece. Very nice. Wow. Fabulous. Amazing. Let's get in close to the some of the detail. That is just absolutely amazing. So plenty of amazing gifts here. Let me pull all of these out so we can take a look at all of them together here. Out of their respective pouches, which is just absolutely amazingly packaged. Just absolutely amazing. That knife, I'm going to kind of keep it because it's got some sort of liquid on it. I'll have to inspect that later, but I don't want to get that too close to the coins here. But look at, that's just amazing. Look at all that stuff there. Look at, oh man, wow. Laura Blade, I can't say I'm at a loss for words because I've been talking this whole time, but I am humbled by your kindness, and for sure, and you guys definitely check out Laura Blade. She is back, and we're glad she is. Many of us were sad when she left before, but we understood. You know, it's just that there's a lot, it can be stressful sometimes dealing with a channel and with other things going on. You know, life many times, really, it should take precedence over everything. This is a great community and all, but you know, a lot of times there's, you know, the real people in real life, you know, the things you have to deal with, and you know, and so it's just it's understandable why, you know, some may take a break for a while. But we're glad Laura's back, and she's already posted a video, so definitely check her channel out. I'll post a link in the description to this video to her channel. It's the same one she had before. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you again. A multitude of gratitude to you, Laura Blade, for these wonderful gifts, and encourage you to all please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care.